What is going on, everybody? Tech enthusiast here, and this is an Antutu benchmark comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus against the OPPO Find X5 Pro. So we have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 versus the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, 8GB of RAM versus 12, and the rest of the specs you can see on the sides. Now with that being said, let's get started. So the Galaxy S23 Plus finished first by about 30 seconds, and overall it scored a lot higher. Now in the breakdown of the categories, the Galaxy S23 Plus scored higher on every single category. So that wraps it up for this video. What did you think? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up So make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release my videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.